embrace the present moment. Also go with the flow of how things fall. Hi guys, welcome back. This is my little desk area. I haven't shown it yet because it's a mess half the time, but here it is. This week I'm taking you guys along with me, just kind of showing you guys what it looks like to be on call. And I'm really excited because I was always a little bit intimidated by being on call. I never really knew what it would feel like. It did take me being on call a few times to kind of get into the groove of things. So today's Monday. Right now I'm actually going to dive into some of my herbal training because I'm so close to being done. I'm halfway done, and my one goal this week is to finish that training. So I'm going to get into that right now, and Lila is napping, so we'll see how much I can get done. I do it very simple. I do a tablespoon of English lavender, a tablespoon of comfrey leaf, a tablespoon of yarrow, and a tablespoon of uva ursi. So once I take a teaspoon of all of them, I just mix it around. I boil 2 quarts of hot water, and now it just steeps on its own for a few hours. It's official. We are looking for apartments, and I'm in official decluttering mode. Let's just get a visual. This is everything we're keeping, clothes-wise. Her toys are just literally everywhere. It's just really fabulous. Yesterday I actually made a Patreon account, and this will allow me to get information to you guys more quickly. It opens up a door of constant communication between us, and it allows me to post more videos that aren't as edited as much, so I can do more of that. All new things that I think can be really helpful to new and aspiring doulas. Kind of answering some of those questions that are more personal or are more about the business side of being a doula, because it is brand new when you are just starting out and kind of difficult to navigate in the beginning because there are so many questions and so many things that we end up having questions to that we can't always foresee in the beginning. So I've asked you this before on Instagram, but if you have any doula related questions, feel free to send them to me through Instagram or through my Facebook. And these are the things that I'm going to be posting on my Patreon. So I will leave that little link down below. It's Wednesday. It's hump day.
Hello.
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 I just got back from an overnight, so that's why I look like this. We're gonna go to my mom's house and hang out with them for a little bit this morning.
Bye, Dodo. Bye.
We're watching my favorite vlogger, Delilah Lepke. I just had breakfast and it's 12, it's fine. I'm doing my little herbal training right now and slowly but surely moving through it. I really just wanted to share with you guys a resource that I came across yesterday. Well, I heard about her a really long time ago on a podcast, and she's very, very helpful, super smart. Her name is Sarah, and she goes by the website Doula, and she is actually a doula for doulas. She helps us get our websites together and show us how we can really show up on Google. If there's one thing that I didn't really know going into becoming a doula, it was how much I needed to market myself and learn about how to market myself online. So she really broke down a few things to me, and it was so nice to get off of our consultation and then go to my website and kind of change a few things. And she's really, really cool and insightful. So I'm going to leave her Instagram down below. You guys can go check her out if you want to, if you need some help with your website. She offers 20-minute free consultations, and we got a lot talked about in those 20 minutes. So I think it could be really helpful, especially if we just have a few questions about building a website. So I will leave her info down for you guys, and it was really exciting. And I think that we tend to overlook how much work goes into marketing ourselves. So it was nice to see and hear real advice from a professional. So today's Sunday, and I always like to take Sundays or some part of the weekend to plan the week ahead, or at least look at what I have going on and kind of see how this flow is going to be for the week. And especially when I'm on call, I like to finish trainings during this time. I like to finish books. I take the more open schedule that I have to my advantage, and I use it to do family things and get things completed that I've been wanting to do. So nothing really stops around this time period. I just work with the flow of birth, work with the flow of how my clients are doing, and try to fit things in during this time. I see it as a way of life. I see being on call as a way to embrace the present moment and get things done that I want to get done, but also go with the flow of how things fall and really be okay with that. I think that it's really important to keep this in mind when starting birth work, because if you are a rigid, scheduled person, it may throw you off a bit to feel what this feels like. So I've just really started to embrace it, and I am enjoying it. If you guys have any questions, of course you can always reach out to me. Keep a lookout on my Patreon if you do end up subscribing, and I just want to thank you guys so much, because me creating a Patreon is allowing me to share more information with you, but it's also supporting me and a little bonus to why I do this. So I really appreciate it so much if that's something that you're interested in, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing here and supporting me. So thank you guys so much. And if you aren't subscribed here already, I'm so happy for you to join and become part of the doula fam. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a beautiful week. I'll see you guys in the next video.